This is gonna get messy, y'all. That's so good. By Thursday, my back showed me. Ooh, excuse me. He stopped talking and he started showing. Okay. Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How is everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a extra spicy, juicy crab mukbang. On the menu is some snow crabs. We got some shrimp in there. We got some crawfish in there, y'all. We got some potatoes. We've got some corn. And what else we got in there? I think that is it. Yo, I do want some eggs, so I'm going to grab the eggs at the refrigerator after my pour. But before then, let's see if we're going to tell you what we're drinking on. We've got some H2OO. Stay hydrated, yo. And also coming to the party is some Harvest Select Sweet Riesling. I don't know if you said Riesling or Riesling. Let's move this over so you can see him, y'all. Go ahead and pop his cherry. This is courtesy of my beautiful Kay, aka Kay from Cali. Y'all, if you haven't checked her out yet, go ahead and check her out. This came in the mail for you, girl. It was an on-time wine. Yes, it was. I did do an unboxing. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be chilled or served at room temperature, or we can go both ways. But we're going to do it at room temperature. She also got me this beautiful K glass here. One K to another. Let's see what they're looking like. Oh, that's pretty. It looks like a drier wine, but it says sweet wine. And I think she was saying she wanted me to try this. So we're going to go try this, y'all. So, salute to all the sippers in the house. It's good. I think it'll be really good chill. You can serve it chill, but y'all know I drink wine anyway, so. All right, y'all. Let's go to get to this epic pour. If I can get this cork off without stabbing myself. How have y'all been? How's everybody doing? It's like a long time in YouTube world, huh? Get into this iconic pour. Ooh, child. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, God, that's hot. It's hot. Hope I didn't overwarm it. I got it earlier, and then so I'm going to eat it later on. Ooh, take this ring off. Ooh, it's steaming. All right, y'all. Iconic pour. Here we go. Ooh, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Ooh, yeah. That looks good. It looks like it's super hot. We're going to see if it's super hot. It's bad. I should have known that wasn't going to be super hot for me. And I got a receipt here, too. Y'all believe it was super hot. Where is that? have my information. Y'all see the deli special on there. Deli special says say hot, 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 hot. All right, y'all. I'm going to get a little thumbnail for y'all, and not thumbnail, an aerial video of this, plus my eggs. And we'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Y'all, you know how to get the little aerial shot so y'all can have y'all salivate in the beginning and stuff like that. Before I go too far, and I forget, I'm going to give my notification tribe shout outs. This is from my, I think my last one was my drenched blue crab. Notification tribe shout out goes out to Italia Braden. Second goes out to Mrs. White 88. And third goes out to our naturalist family. Thank you so much for being part of the notification tribe. I appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all, I'm very hungry. Let's go and get things and get it grabbing. Okay, I'll talk to you a little bit about where I've been. Let's go and get some food in our stomachs. So y'all saw that this was supposed to be 4 times spicy, but it's not. So that it's okay. We've got some more of that sauce over here to the corner, and we've got some Mr. 2 times spicy sauce. Oh, let me go ahead and do on my beard, so I don't mess up my nice hand-me-down dress that Nene got for me. Y'all, this beard had sauce on. I gotta wipe the sauce off the beard, y'all. What kind of foolery is that? Okay, so what we're gonna do is take the juicy crab sauce. This is 4 times hot too, supposed to be. They doubled up the cup. Need a chopstick. Put that loving in there like that. And then y'all done made a mess down there. Put some 2 times spicy sauce in there. Like that. Then put a little bit more of that seasoning in there like that. Alright. I told you I need to demand some 2 times spicy sauce or something. Oh, dang. Already gave thanks. Let's get to grubbing. I got some lemons over there too. Hope everyone's been well. I know it feels like I've been going forever in YouTube world. Was it been like, oh, yeah, that's good now. It's been like 6 days, I think. It's been about 6 days. I missed ya. Thank everyone who checked in on me. Keeping up with Trish. Mary Freaking Dumas. It's iQueen. Someone else. So I can't remember. I just saw the message, y'all. I appreciate you. I love y'all. Oh, come on now. Don't play. I'm too hungry today. I'm hungry, y'all. This is gonna get messy, y'all. Come on. See, let me see my lemon bottle. If you want a little bite of that little pink. Get your bite of the little pink. Then my extension cord stuff showing over there. Oh, it's gonna be okay. What else showing? It's not to be okay. How's your week? How was your week? How was your weekend? How's this week right now going? Hope it's going well. Hold on, y'all. I told you I'm hungry. Hold on. Ooh, child. Give a huge congrats to my niecey. And so Naya. Then she's like at 27K now, y'all. She's just growing and flourishing, and I cannot be any happier for her. Also, Lele has finally started her channel, y'all. It's Adventures of Lele. I'll link the channel in the up here, one of them tabs. And I'll also put it in the description box. This is the Juicy Crowd special. It doesn't come with head on shrimp. Good job, bite. Ooh, that fuego. You got it? Good. A little potato wax and I'm talking to you, okay? I promise. Woo! So I hold my hand. The 2 times spicy sauce makes everything better. Sorry, I'm so hungry. Woo! It's better. Much better. Oh, it's spicy. Oh, you see my eye tearing? It's tearing, y'all. So, y'all. Remember, I took my little trip to Miami, and I met Mama D and Dom and Shay Snacks, and I also met Queen Beast. I have not done yet. I still have to do her tribute, meeting Queen Beast. Y'all, there's some wine that's soulless. She being bad. She being bad, so she in the room. She might sing song about people. To y'all. I apologize. I'm told that. Anyway, when I came back, I did nothing but non-stop running, y'all. Like, I was so busy. Oh, that's good. Pour a little more of that. I was so busy when I came back. A lot of you know already, but a lot of you don't know, or you may have forgotten that my back is... I gotta get that cord. My cat, they got it. No, sorry, no! She's gonna try to play with it and hide it in all her little collectibles. She be having collectibles, y'all. I be finding her little hoards. Anyway, my back is really, really messed up. I think even sometimes I forget. Because there is not a moment. There's not a moment in a day that my back doesn't hurt. It always hurts. I need surgery, but they're not cutting on me. I'm sorry. I'm still walking, talking, breathing. They're not cutting on me. That's so good. Oh, yeah. Good. Anyway. So I got back. I think, like, let me try something. Jen showed me how to do something. Spread the booty apart and pull the donkey out. Yeah, I don't know how to piece it. I did it! It don't matter to me because I'm eating it. Yeah, I did it. I did just see if I can do it, and I'm not going to do it again. Anyway, y'all, so by Wednesday, and some of you may have noticed, some of you probably didn't notice because I'm kind of pretty good at faking the funk. You know, you kind of have to do that when you're a single mom. Oh, Capricorn in general. Capricorns, they're always like, I'm okay. Knowing they lying. So by Wednesday, y'all, I was hurting. I hurt so bad. Throughout the week, my back kept saying to me, yo, he got a deep voice, y'all. He be telling me, Keisha, you better slow down, Keisha. You better stop doing that, Keisha. I'm like, I'm cool. Shut up. You good? I'm good. Hit me a little guy and keep on going. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shoot. Oh, crap. My back end like we talking about him. Hold on a second. Let's block that. Can I find a clean spot? Let's see. It's going to be okay. It wasn't mixed with that sauce, so I should be good. Anyway, so. I'm not editing that out either. My back was like, Keisha. Lay down so well, Keisha. I'm like, shut up. You always trying to ruin my fun, trying to rain on my parade. Just be quiet. We good. Be quiet. You always trying to be quiet. So y'all, after a while, my back stopped talking. I'm like, okay, cool. You know, I felt the aches and the pains, y'all. By Thursday, my back showed me. Ooh, excuse me. He stopped talking. And he starts showing, okay? Yo. Not only did my back give out, a cold front came through me, and I don't know if y'all didn't realize cold makes your back pain worse. If you got back pain, then you know what I'm talking about. I'm making it work. Cold front came through the middle of the night on Wednesday. And Mother Nature want to come bring me a gift early. Like, what the what? Well, y'all, by Thursday, y'all can really even get out of bed. It was that bad. And here come Mr. Bat. See, I told your ass not to do that, but you hard-headed. You won't listen. You won't listen, so I gotta show you. I got to show you. Y'all. I'm so mad at my back. Because like I said, I be going and going and going. And my back is like, it's not messed up. It's effed up. I should be laying on somebody's opera room table, but I know what they're doing on the opera room table. And ain't no chance I'm going to get better, so I'm not going to let them do that. When I'm about to be, I said, I'm not going to let you put me in a wheelchair. Now, if I'm already in a wheelchair, okay, go ahead. I have nothing to lose. But I'm not going to let them put me in a wheelchair. I know what they do. And I told the surgery, too. I know what y'all do. Because in order to get to the good tissue, you got to cut through. I mean, the bad tissue, you got to cut through good tissue. Jacking me all up. Nah, that's right. My dad, I told my dad not to get back surgery. He got back surgery, and they jacked him all the way up. They sure did. See, you see that right there? You see that? This same genetics too. You see that? Nah, I'm good. I'll just take the pain. Because your body after a while, that's siren. Your body after a while, it'll, pain don't go away, but your body adjust to the pain. To a certain extent now. You can't be dropping it like it's low and then all the other stuff and expect that your back's not going to act up because I'm going to tell you it is. And my back truly did. It showed me. So Thursday and Friday, I was out of commission. I thank goodness for my kids. For Nene. Well, for all my kids. For Nene. I'm glad I had her a little further apart than the rest. Because she was able to help me. I love you, Nene. Y'all, you wouldn't even know, like, unless you were like actually sitting here next to me, or in my face, or because I was absentee. Some of y'all did check on me. You wouldn't even know that I'm going through stuff. Because I still put on face. Make sure everybody's still doing good. I still was checking on people. How you doing? Thinking about you. Because I was thinking about them. Still trying to do for my bed. Poor Leia. Leia had to stay a lot in bed because I'm trying to get her out that habit. Because I was in the bed, I had to watch her, you know. Y'all, I got up Thursday. Oh no, it was no getting up. There was no getting up. It took me everything to go to the bathroom. I'm laughing, but I was mad. And I couldn't be mad at nobody but myself. Because I knew. I know limitations, but I just do. I like to do. So by Friday, I was trying to recuperate. Yeah, that's why I want AWOL on y'all. Trying to recuperate. And then Saturday, I was like maybe, Thursday I was no good all Thursday. Saturday I was like, I think Friday's when I won the blanket. That's just in the unboxing. Saturday I was like kind of like 75%. By Sunday, y'all, I was ready to go. I said, okay, she is back. And I wanted to like do all the, what the heck is that? Probably mosquito truck spraying all the chemicals to kill the mosquitoes and kill us too. You know, by Sunday, I want to do some stuff, y'all. Because, you know, I don't feel like I wasted. Ooh, look at that. Felt like I wasted too much time being laid up. I'm going to do it, y'all. Got to do. Ooh. I'm listening to my back, though, but I got to do. But Saturday night, and then it tells me, Sunday we go clean the house. Saturday night, and then it tells me she gonna kick me out. I said, what you mean you gonna kick me out? Kick me out the house. I mean, it's a good thing, y'all. They wanted to clean the house by themselves. I know it was a good gesture. They just didn't want me to dictating. I don't know. So, it was tedious for me Sunday. I could have planned something like a mukbang or something. But I ended up watching some movies. What did I watch? Venom? Yeah. The kind of cartoon character. Venom. I started utilizing my Prime membership benefits because I never used the videos before, but I have started using it. Venom. I watched, what's it called? The something machine about a city on, it's the city on wheels. I can't think of the name of it. The big machine, something machine. I don't know. They're pretty good. I still feel like I was twiddling my thumbs because I didn't like that very much. She was like, most mothers should be grateful. I said, yeah, it's not that. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful. It's just that I've been idle for too long. And so now, ooh, excuse me, Keisha Burke. Now that I can actually do something, I want to do something. That's all it is, baby. I'm like, I'm not ungrateful. I'm very grateful, you guys. Thursday, y'all, I don't think I ate Thursday. That thing was too bad. Too bad. T-E-W bad. I learned my lesson, I think. Don't take an impromptu trip and then come back and think you can just do what you can do. Because it ain't going to work. Cancel your other plan. So looking back, would I have still did that trip? Knowing that I may be laid up? Yeah. Yeah, I would have did it. Sure would. Yeah. Because it was so worth it. It was so worth it. Meeting those beautiful spirits, it was worth it. I had some more time to reflect when I was laying on my butt. But it wasn't just a trip. It was that I came back and started running around. I never gave my body a chance to rest. And knowing I'm part of the Gimpy Club, say what it is, I'm part of the Gimpy Club. I can't be doing that. You can't function like you functioned before. Your mind is so powerful, you think that you can. But you can't. You can't. You got to be careful. You got to be careful. You got to make sure that your body, if you're doing a lot, you got to make sure that you give your body adequate enough recovery time afterwards of doing a lot. And I didn't do that. I was going. So it was going into 2 weeks that I was kept doing. Even though my back advised against it, it was all up in my ear and stuff. But I wasn't listening to him. So see, all that season was good, don't it? Like it's going to be real spicy. I hope it is. It is going to be now. So yeah, that's why I went AWOL on y'all. Did watch a couple of videos. I commented on some. But I felt bad that I wasn't up in my own comments. So I didn't comment on a lot of them. But I'm going to get back in my comments, y'all. I'm going to get back on it. And there's a freaking system we're moving through, too. That doesn't make it any better, either. People wonder why rain and cold changes your pain. Because it changes the pressure in the air. It changes the humidity and the pressure. It affects how your muscles and bones and stuff lie. If you already have inflammation, y'all, I'm going to get into another video because it's going to be a boring lecture for y'all. I know y'all want to hear that. Anyway, I'm back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. In my Shay Snacks voice. That's all that. He's working for you. I'm messing. See, I feel some burn on my chin, but I didn't feel so spicy. The flavor's on point. Oh, this will be a two-part meal. I already knew it was going to be. Every time I order a special, it's well worth it for me because I never finish it. I always have 2 meals. So that outer bag that y'all saw, the rest of this is going to go in there. Let's have one more, something else. Should we do a crawfish? Another shrimp. I think I want another shrimp. I do want a crawfish. Oh, I got one right here. I didn't finish off. Go ahead and do him. With this lemon, I should let go. Don't let go. I can't let go. He's spicy. Come on. That's my trick my boo Ryan taught me. I think I want one more crawfish. That was good. What I had that out. What I had that out. Let me stop, y'all. Ooh. Ooh. But yeah, I already mentioned it. Go ahead and check out Lele's channel. Y'all should be so grateful. She was so giddy when what I tell them that? Oh, excuse me, kiss your bird. She was so giddy when she saw people comment on her first video. I told her don't get too caught up in that now, because I don't want it bumming her out if people don't watch her video. She's doing a Gacha channel. Something I recently just discovered about. You know Gachas? Which is appropriate for her age. I like that. All right. Woo! I think we're done. Sorry about them bot pops, y'all. And 2 times spicy sauce be hitting different. In the words of Percy P. Whew. Ooh, I'm full. I'm kind of full. Ooh, excuse me, burp. I like that. I like it a lot, Kay. I do. Alrighty. We've come to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on my extra spicy, supposed to be, juicy crab mukbang like always. It's some other. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe, become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on your post notifications to be notified of any and every video that we release. Comment below and let us know that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or a dislike if it was your cup of tea. And stay tuned for more. Go ahead, move over now. Oh, this is courtesy of Jazzy, by the way. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. F up that. Deuces. Yeah, I'm all over the place.